It's currently 8:33, and my parents are downstairs watching Christopher Robin, and I've already seen it, so I'm gonna work on my room. I should probably show you the setup. Me and my dad just made my bed. And when I'm saying bed, I mean bed frame. I decided to go for a pallet bed because I think they look really cute. And so I extended it 6 inches on the sides. And then I have a box spring and then my mattress. So I just washed my sheets and I'm gonna put them on here. There's Ash, by the way. Let's see. This is the mess. So that was all in my room, and then you walk in and it definitely looks more open. I don't have it before because I did not think about that. But you walk in, it looks more open. I can actually get into my closet, and when I open the door I can see everything. There used to be a huge shelf here, so I'd only be able to go to here. So now I can see my closet. I need to clean off all of these shelves. That bookshelf used to be standing up right over here. I need to clean off my little side table thing. And there's my lights. I'm thinking about, I might leave those. There's pictures on the halls, so I'm probably gonna put them all over here. But I'm thinking about taking these down, but I'm not sure because I kind of like them. But I kind of want double-sided tape and then make them stick better because I use regular tape and it's like coming up on the sides, which is really annoying. But other than that, it looks really good. So I'm super happy. So yeah, I'm ready for this. I've been wanting this pallet bed for a while now. So I'm gonna make piles because I need to go through my room. So that can be like garage. That'd be fun too. So garage, trash, garage, keep trash, garage, Goodwill, trash. Wait, no, that's not gonna work. I need to keep pile. Garage, keep, garage, keep, trash, Goodwill. We'll make it work. Okay, my keep pile's gonna be really big because I'm a hoarder. Okay, so I want to take that mirror. I'm going to move all of this, center it on my nightstand, and then I think that's good. I was going to put it on that wall, but that made no sense because there's a mirror right there. I really hope you can see because I can't see if you can see. My camera's low battery, but that's cool. We'll just use my phone later. I'm thinking I'm gonna take all these pillows and put it in my old chair bag because I don't use it and I won't need it unless I need it for Canada. But I think I might take my parents' suitcase, so. full battery and our SD card is not full anymore. So that's pretty awesome. Let me show you where I'm at. Okay, so my SD card got full, so I didn't film this, but I wanted to keep going because I knew if I stopped, then I wouldn't get back on it. I cleared off this entire thing, and I cleaned the shelves with Clorox wipes, and basically I went through all of this stuff, and I threw away stuff, and then my Goodwill pile kind of grew. We're talking about a garage sale, so some of that might be in there, and I wanted to look through my clothes anyways, so hey guys, so it's voice Sam, and basically I didn't record any audio of this, and I thought it was really confusing, so I'm gonna explain this to you. So you walk into my room, it looks very open, there's my Goodwill pile over there, and I have my lights hung up with my picture, you know, fun stuff. Later on I ended up hanging pictures on that blank wall, and my dad ended up putting up my mirror. My bed's still messy, but if you walk over, you can see that I cleaned up my shelves. And I know I didn't get any footage of that, but I explained that later that if I stopped, then I definitely would have not continued. So I'm glad I continued. I finished cleaning these shelves as well, and I cleaned the top of it, as well as the top of my side table kind of area. So there's the mirror. My dad did put it up, which is awesome.